general agency compliance. Now, I think most agents are fairly aware that fair trading are our regulator. And as such, they have the right to walk into your office and look at general compliance issues. Now, the question I get asked probably multiple times a day, and so do all of the trainers here at ACOP, is what are they looking for? Well, they're looking for you being compliant, obviously. Now, the first things, let's make it easy. So the first things they look for, you can actually get them to tick off fairly easily. And, some of those, like get your signage on your front door right. So Section 29 of the Act says you've got to have signage external to your office. Now, think about what type of office it is. Most people have that on their front door, and it has to, identify, who is the corporation or the business name, the corporation number, the licensee in charge or multiple licensees in charge if you have them. If you have independent contractors, they have to have their details there on the front door as well, because they're yet another corporation that is working from that office. Who the licensee in charge is, what's the licensee in charge's license number, and the functions that you offer, so the services that you offer, which relate to the licensee in charge's license category. So is it real estate? So you might write sales and property management. You might if you've got a stock and station agent's license as the licensee in charge, then you're offering rural services, and that might be rural land and livestock if you're offering livestock. It might be a strata office, then you're offering strata management services. But making sure that all of that is correct is just the first tick. Before they even walk through the front door, let's get that bit right. Other things, make sure that your business card, your marketing are right. If you're using a name that's not your legal name, then make sure that you've got transparency around that and have your license number on your card, on your advertising, on your website, so people can find you on the, so that transparency for customers, they can look on the Fair Trading Register, the public register, and see that, everybody there is a licensed or certificated agent. Making sure that your licenses and certificates are up to date. No one has expired. Having a CPD register that is up to date, very close to our hearts, of course, here at the college. Making sure that you have a policy and procedures manual that is tailored to your office, not one that you've bought off the shelf. And yeah, we sell them too, but that you have to tailor it to the specifics of your office. And that's the same with your supervision guidelines. Again, you can buy a pro forma and we'll sell it to you, but you need to tailor it to the specifics of your office. They will look at sales files. They will look at property management files. They are looking for ID, the client IDs. They to make sure that they're in there, that your agency agreements are in there, that your comparative market analysis documents are in there, that if you are making amendments to opinion of price as a salesperson on a residential sale, that the proper process has been followed. And whether those documents are electronic or paper or a combination of both, it doesn't matter. All of those documents need to be available. They need to see your authority for trust account disbursement. So what is the licensee in charge who is nominated as the person responsible for the trust account? What are they doing? Are they following the correct procedures? They'll want to see copies of your professional indemnity insurance, making sure that you have the right levels of insurance, because that is regulated under that level. Business name, that's from ASIC. That's not a fair trading requirement, but it needs to be on show. Whilst your licenses from fair trading need to be available, not necessarily on show. You can have them on show, and I think it looks good. But your ASIC business name does need to be on show. So, get some of that stuff right. That's the easy things to make sure that makes a visit from our regulator a much smoother and friendlier and safer visit for you. And at the end of the day, that's actually providing a more streamlined, transparent and better service to your clients, which means repeat business. So it's good on all levels. So guys, deal with the minor points of compliance and they'll look after you as you go along. So, a nice way to I guess, start we're more than a month in now into the financial year, but, get your backyard in order in terms of getting those sorts of things right.